But the more you get into this 360-degree feedback, the more you realize that your leaders are also reading that and trying to address that as well, that says, hey, I don't have an issue with you, Bill, but your peer group, they don't want anything to do with you. And here's the data that says that. So that's not good. It doesn't happen in manufacturing. In a vehicle engineering standpoint, you would have some more opportunities for that because of the pockets, and it's not all for one, right? The person on the exterior lighting really doesn't deal a whole lot with the suspension group, but they each have the same responsibilities, and they're peers by level, but they're not into a mutual needing to be living and trusting each other together.
Thank you.
Who's next? Probably got at least one more.
In an organization where there's a leader and there's a peer, which one's more important? Which feedback is more important? The peer giving feedback to the leader, or the leader giving feedback to the peers?
Here's the cop-out answer, all of it. All the feedback's important. Which one's more important? To me, importance is based on the situation that you're actually dealing with. If it's a safety issue and someone has gone off the grid on following specific safety protocol, then it doesn't matter. Whoever provides that feedback is the most important, because you cannot be doing things that are on a detour route that put other people's livelihood or body parts in jeopardy. And whoever provides you with feedback, you want to make that the most important feedback on a safety venue. If you're dealing with personality or soft side issues that aren't the safety or the quality or the throughput or the cost basis, and it's just a performance or a behavioral issue, then you really want to make sure it's consistent. Are you being viewed by your leader the same as being viewed by a peer, the same as being viewed by someone that is in your direct? And they're all important, because your perception may be that I'm really taking care of my engineering groups, but at the same time, my leader doesn't think I'm addressing what they really want me to address. So that's that balance of, I got to bring my team with me, because I can't do all their jobs. I did them once, but I can't do all their jobs. I have to let them do their job. I got to trust them, so I need to be with them to establish trust, but at the same time, I can't alienate your leader. That's just common job performance, but the feedback there is extremely important. I've just tried to tell everybody, take as much feedback as you can, and if once you think you have a limit, then open that limit and go higher. You never can get enough feedback, no matter where it comes from. Now, you as an individual can choose that I don't really value your input. You know, if it's my peer at Toyota, I don't value their input in the fact that they just started into the paint operations. I've been at it for 20-some years. If they just started because they've got the Toyota halo and they come to the session and they say, we're way better than that, I said, no, I've been in all your shops. I can tell you you're not. You're still wet behind the ears kind of thing. So you don't be non-professional about it, but you have to treat it as, where's the source? What is the source, and where did they have their experience to tell you that? I think time's up, but there's a few more. I think we're all out of USBs, but we have more bolts. They're bolts, right? Everybody knows the difference between a volt and a bolt? No? You want it? Anybody care? What's an EV versus an EV? An EREV. EREV is the volt. What's that stand for? Who's in the car business? Extended range electric vehicle. So why is the volt an EREV? Who did their homework? No? Right. The Volt, our first venture into electric vehicles, I happen to be on the Volt launch team, so that's why I was partial to the Volt. That's an extended range, right? So I drove one from Detroit down here the very first year off of the proving grounds, and along about Logansport, it stopped being an EV, but it kept moving because it basically had motors on the wheels that you turn an ICE into a generator. Instead of an internal combustion engine, it's a generator. So now you have no range anxiety at all. You barely felt the change from pure electric over to the generator. For a Bolt, it's all electric, 100%. It's like the Nissan Leaf blower. It's 100% electric. So when it runs out, if you haven't charged it, you're calling for help, or having your phone be highly charged and get you to the next fuel station. Questions? Okay, there's two Bolts left. Who wants them? I'll leave them up here. You can take them on your way out. Hey, thanks. I think we're out of time.